My name is Danny Davis. I'm from Highland, Michigan, USA. I started snowboarding. We had sleds, we had a hill in our front yard, we stood on them sideways, and then my parents eventually got us actual snowboards years later. It was purely for fun then, and it still is. I want to go climb different mountains and things that I've always had my eye on, and like, it's still fun. I'm having fun when I'm out there, but it turns into a little bit more of like a mission. I think my ultimate goal for snowboarding would be to just snowboard till the day I drop.